Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Correct endotracheal intubation signs. So what does it contain? So there is presence of detection. So first is to do the detection, and the detection is of the end-tidal O2, end-tidal O2, CO2, and this is by the capnography. And this is nothing but the surest confirmation. Then comes the symmetrical chest rise. Then is the bilateral breath sounds. The absence of breath sounds in the epigastrium. Absence of breath sounds in the epigastrium. Next is the visible condensation in the endotracheal tube. The visible condensation, and this is in the ET tube, endotracheal tube. Next is the large exhaled tide volumes. Large exhaled tidal volume. Then comes the appropriate compliance of reservoir bag. So the appropriate compliance, and this is of the reservoir bag, and this is during manual ventilation. During manual ventilation. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.